So hello aspirants, let's see some more important current affair topics in this session. The first topic is your theory. Now what is a theory? It is a kind of a sand dune which has color red. That's why they are also known as red dunes. They are found in Tamil Nadu. This is another important aspect. Then they have low water retention capacity and low nutrient retention capacity. They also have an important aspect of aerodynamic lift, and they are dated around your quaternary period in the geological time scale, and it is considered that they are made from your marine deposits. The next important topic is your thousand pillar temple. This is important because UPSC has already asked one question in their prelim examinations previously. So it is necessary for us to actually revise this particular temple again. Now this is also called as your Chandranatha temple. It is a Jain temple and it is built around your 15th century. And where is it situated? It is situated in your Karnataka state. The next important topic is Muni Suratanath. Now he is a Jain monk, a Jain Tirthankar and 20th Jain Tirthankar. A statue was erected in Karnataka, so that's why he became important, especially from current affair point of view, and he is a 15th century saint. So remember these aspects regarding your Muni Suvrata. The next important topic is your hybrid securities. So hybrid securities, as the name is suggesting, it is a combination of two or more securities, especially debt as well as equity aspect is included in your hybrid securities. So remember these aspects regarding your this particular financial instrument. So the next is your Nippon scheme. See, one Nippon scheme has been brought by Ministry of Education. This new scheme has been brought by Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation in order to reskill the construction workers. That's why the name National Initiative for Upskilling Nirman Workers. So kindly remember the difference between Nippon of your Ministry of Education and Nippon of your Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. This Nippon scheme has been included under your National Urban Livelihood Mission. The next topic is PM Adi Adarsh Gram Yojana. So Ministry of Tribal Affairs is bringing this particular scheme. The aim of this Yojana or this mission is to provide better amenities in tribal villages. So try to remember this aspect of your PM Adi Adarsh Gram Yojana. The next topic is your multi-modal logistics park scheme. So Government of India wanted to enhance the logistics of our country so that the infrastructure development should take place in a more faster pace. Now we should remember certain facts about the logistics of our country. So the World Bank in their Logistic Performance Index has ranked India 44th in the terms of how the logistics are being governed in our country. So the Logistics Performance Index is being brought by which institution? It is the World Bank. And what is India's ranking? 44th. Now under Multimodal Logistics Park scheme, the government has proposed to build 35 hubs, 35 logistics hubs under the Bharatmala Yojana. There are 5 important aspects regarding the multimodal logistic park scheme, like freight aggregation and distribution, multimodal freight transportation, similarly the integrated storage and warehousing, the value added service, and the information technology support. You just remember these 5 pillars as well as what are the important facts regarding your logistics condition of India. Now the next topic is your global gold recycling. See, India has been ranked 4th and China has been given the topmost position in the global gold recycling. So kindly remember these rankings where India is placed and where China is placed. The next topic is your captive networks. So certain times when you go to the coffee shops or when you go to the shopping mall, sometimes you use their Wi-Fi. Such sort of networks are called as your captive networks. So these are the public networks that we subscribe for, and this terminology is associated with your 5G technology. Such sort of networks are actually available in your coffee shops, airports, shopping malls, etc. The next important topic is your Google tax. So Google tax is a kind of equalization levy. This is an important aspect, equalization levy, and UPSC has already asked one question in in their previous prelims examination. It is introduced through Finance Act 2020. This is another important aspect. It is a type of direct tax and it is applicable to the non-resident e-commerce companies. So remember these aspects about your Google tax. The next important aspect is your PM eVidya. So PM eVidya is a scheme launched by our Ministry of Education in order to enhance the digital education in the country. And when it was launched in the year 2020. So these are the main important aspects regarding certain current affairs. In the next session, we will see certain other important topics. Till then, thank you.